Not fully trained now?
No. I think there's one on the outside there. Yeah. Without. Yeah, we can probably do that.
Yeah. Oops. Start doing some bolts yet.
Because it's hanging way down too low.
Help it. Where's the bolts at?
Okay. Tighten them all up.
You have to put yours back.
It's under the bobcat somewhere. That's tight. Well, that's the one that's got one knot. Okay.
Get the timer.
Okay. Come on. Okay, yeah. It's not supposed to be on the inside here.
Oh, hey, look at this.
What?
This needs another washer.
Watch yourself on the board. It's even, it'll slide in.
Not working, I think. I think you gotta work. Who's gonna worry about that one day?
Maybe you one day.
What's up?
Okay, good.
What'd you say?
I said. Between the washer and the glass.
Oh, yeah.
Do you want to take the window off?
No.
Okay.
Well, let's say. For sale. So.
Yeah.
I have an idea. Bitch, you gotta put your hand.
Okay. Break it out. Not the problem.
Let's go the best we can.
Well,
Yeah, probably. Just do that. That's the guy in the bobcat, and not Thomas.
Dirt.
So. Mulching, everything is jam packed in. If I don't have to go to the job, we're gonna take this thing and go.
And take it all the way.
The grinding is not gonna work very good because I know you guys want me my sensor running, but yeah.
And you can take it,
Hey, no,
take it
hey,
down a little
hey,
more too.
hey. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later. I'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys in the next one.